Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry alternator. This task can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's quite manageable. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, a 12mm wrench, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface and the engine is completely off before you begin. The alternator is usually found on the lower front passenger side of the engine compartment. Before touching any electrical components, always disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. This is a crucial safety step. Next, use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt. Then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. You will then need to unplug the two electrical connectors from the alternator and remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold it in place, typically using a 14mm socket. Now, carefully position your new alternator into its mounting bracket. It should fit snugly into place. Reinsert the 2 or 3 mounting bolts and hand tighten them first, then use your 14mm socket to fully secure them, ensuring the alternator is firmly in place. Next, route the serpentine belt correctly around all the pulleys, making sure it sits properly in each groove, and then release the tensioner to apply proper belt tension. With the new alternator securely mounted and the belt in place, reconnect the 2 electrical connectors to the alternator. Ensure they click firmly into position. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal to the battery post and tighten it with your 10mm wrench. Start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery light should turn off, indicating the new alternator is charging the system correctly. Listen for any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.